Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the word problems of exercise 2.2 because yesterday few word problems were left in between. So the question is question number 6. Find the area of rectangle whose sides are given 5 as a whole 7 upon 8 meter and 6 as a whole 8 upon 9 meter. Correct? So for a rectangle, when you have to find its area, you have to multiply its length by its breadth. All of you know this much. So first of all, length is given in mixed term. We have to change it into improper fraction. So 8 5s are 40, 40 and 7 will be 47 upon 8 meter. Breadth is 6 as a whole 8 upon 9. So 9 6 are 54, 54 and 8 62 upon 9 meter. Now area of rectangle. Area of rectangle will be length into breadth, means length 47 upon 8 multiplied by 62 upon 9. So same thing you will do. Now see, whatever the numbers are being cancelled, you can cancel them. I told you like this you can cancel, like this you can cancel, but not like this and this. Correct? So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. Now nothing is being getting cancelled. So now multiply 47 by 31. So 47 by 31 I have multiplied. So you will get here 1457 upon 9 4s are 36. So let's change it into mixed terms. See, I have changed it here for you. 36 4s are 144, remainder will be 1, and from upside you will copy 7. So 36 zeros will be 17, but remember you have to write students here 0. Many times I have noticed that whenever you are doing the solution like this, you always forget to mention 0 over here. So in that case, that answer will be treated as wrong. Doesn't matter whether you have done it all correct or not, but if you are not writing here 0, then that will be treated as wrong. So your answer will be 40 as a whole 17 upon 36 meter square. Now coming to the next, find the area of a square whose side is given 25 as a whole 23 upon 24 meter. So area of a square is equals to side square. Remember, side into side. Now side is given to you 25 as a whole 23 upon 24 meter. It is a mixed term fraction. Again you have to change it into improper. So first of all, multiply these two and add 23. Students, again I am reminding, whenever you have to do the multiplication, do it very carefully. Otherwise your question will be fully wrong. So this will, here you will get here 600 plus 23 upon 24. Now see what you will get here. This will be 623 upon 24. So area will be equals to, as I told you, area, this is the side now, and area is equals to side square. Means this number has to be multiplied 2 times. So multiply 2 times. Again the multiplication will be there, a long multiplication. Multiply very carefully. You will get here 388129 upon 576. This is meter square. If you want, you can change it into mixed term also. Otherwise your answer is correct over here also. So it's your wish. If you want, you can change it also. I hope all of you understood these questions. Students, again I am reminding you all that please, all of you, whatever the questions I am explaining you in the videos, do it very carefully in your notebooks yourself. Don't copy from the video. Try to do the solutions yourself. Now the next is Rahul walks 5 as a whole 3.4 kilometer in a day. Rahul walks the same distance every day. How far will Rahul walk in a week? See, one day distance is being told to you. You have to find the distance travelled by Rahul in a week. So whatever the distance is being given to you, you will multiply it by 7, because in a week there are 7 days and the distance of one day is being given to you. So distance walked by Rahul in one day is 5 as a whole 3.4 kilometer. Change it into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20, 23 upon 4 kilometer. So as I told you, you have to find out the distance that is covered in a week. So you have to multiply it by 7. So 23 upon 4 multiplied by 7, that will be 161 upon 4. Same thing, 4 divided by 161. When you will change into mixed fraction, so 4 4s are 16. Now 1 will be here. 1 doesn't comes in the table of 4. So what to do? As I told you just now in the previous question, you write here 0 and you write here 0 and then you write. So the answer will be 40 as a whole 1 upon 4 meter. Please don't make mistake like this, that you write 4 as a whole 1 upon 4. That will be totally wrong. Like next question. Gaurav purchased 30 apples. He finds 1/3 of apples spoiled. Find the numbers of apples spoiled. See, he has purchased total 30 apples and 1/3 of the apples were spoiled. So the total number of apples that the Gaurav has purchased, among them only the apples which are spoiled are counted in that numbers only. So what we will do? We will find 1/3 of total. correct? From total only it is spoiling na. Of total means multiply. So number of apples supply is 1 upon 3 of 30. So 1 upon 3 multiply 30. So 3 tens are and 10 apples. 10 apples were the number of apples that were spoiled among 30 apples. Last one is, if a person can build 5 upon 6 of a wall in a day, how many walls can be built by a person in 30 days? Correct. So person is building 5 upon 6 of a wall in one day. Same question. In 30 days, the wall built in one day multiplied by total number of days. So wall built in 30 days will be equals to 5 upon 6 multiplied by 30. 6 5s are 30 and 5 5s are 25. So 25 walls will be built by a person in 30 days. Students, again I am showing you the work of today. Please all of you do this work very properly. Copy the questions yourself and the solutions try to do yourself. Don't copy the solutions from the video which is being shown to you. And today your homework is, your assignment will be, you have to do these 5 questions only in your notebook. See, again I am showing you. Please be very careful with your work because this work will not be repeated again. Thank you all.